This is a little story of how we wanted to transform a corner of the yard into a nice flower bed and the annoying thing that happened as we were working on it. Hi, I am Martha with the Living Backyard. This is how the Sago Palm looked last winter, all sad, half burnt, dry, and full of pups. There's another video I have where we remove the pups if you want to watch it. With the help of these dividers, we are going to be dividing basically this little area of the yard. For this flower bed makeover, we remove the grass and weeds. I had in the past used a weed barrier successfully, so I thought of using it again. If you're enjoying this video, hit the thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And if you aren't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? This is the little area that is going to be helping my husband not to have to mow so much and put some flowers in the same spot so we have more color and not just grass, right? I plan to put several little plants in here to make it all colorful. We cut the weed barrier to size, we installed it, used the landscape pins. I also added some vitamins for the Sago Palm. And it's been growing new fronds, so that's always exciting. I cut all the leaves some weeks ago. But anyway, this is how it was looking after I removed all the leaves, all the fronds, and I added the fabric, the rocks, the plants. It was looking just like a new, refreshed flower bed. And I literally thought we were done for the day, for the whole project, until after a rainy day, I discovered this. All this grass popping from under the fabric, the weed barrier. Ugh. So then we had to redo everything, but this time it was more work because then we had to remove the fabric and the rocks, and just it was a big mess. It took us 2 days to remove everything, rinse the rocks, remove the weed barrier, fabric, etc. I still think that a better quality weed barrier would have worked for a few years at least. But this thing, which was the only one available around here, was just a mess. It was just bad. I decided to use the cardboard boxes, apply layers on top of the ground, and just leaving holes for the lantanas, the rosemary, and the dusty miller that I had already planted. And I think this time around, it will last looking good for a longer time. Check the other Sago Palm videos I have here on the screen, and see you soon!